pretty horses. Good morning. Good morning, mister. Good morning. Good morning. I don't normally see you this early. I am going to milk a cow because my family has gone for a day, and usually my brothers are the ones that milk the cows and do the chicken chores and feed out the EMs. So I'm covering for all of them, which I've milked goats before, and I have milked a cow a couple times, but it's different than milking a goat, and it's a little bit more difficult. Hello, cow. Can I milk you? Can I milk you? Never mind, that was the wrong cow. She isn't giving any milk. So I knew that because she walked away from me. The other cows that I'm supposed to milk over here. Those are the 2 cows I'm supposed to milk. It's just too early for this. Hello, cows. Takes a while. My brothers are faster at it. I'm a little bit slow. But it's because I'm used to milking a goat, and they're a little bit easier to milk in my opinion. Look how slowly that goes up. It took me like a half an hour last night to do both the cows, so see if I can beat my time this morning, now that I've already got cramps in my hands. One cow done, going on to the next. This is how much milk I got from just cow, which doesn't look like a lot, but it's probably like a gallon. Now my other cow is lying down all nice and comfy now, so gotta get her up. Don't touch my phone. Cow, don't do it. And we're done. Now I have to go give the chickens water, check for eggs, give the horses and the cows their EMs, put the horses out on the pasture, and I think we're done. Make sure that the horses and cows both have water, of course. And in case you were wondering, I did not beat my time. It took a half an hour again, but at least we're finally done. Let these girlies out. Hello, Sally. You're so pretty. Go eat some grass. Cows are like, what? Now we just gotta give the chickens their water, check for eggs, don't get attacked by a rooster. That's very possible. Then I have to refill the AM bucket, then we're done. And because my siblings are gone, there's actually no morning dishes to do, so I don't have to do dishes. Still have to do some cleaning up, and I get to take my morning drink, my morning booster, and then eat breakfast if I can think of something to eat. And then once Tyler gets here, we'll start working on our secret project. It's not really secret. We're building a pole barn, and half of it will be a garage shop, and the other half for temporary living while we figure out how to build our house. So that's what I've been doing for the past month. I will bring you down there and show you some of our progress in the last month. It's going fast and it's looking good. Not saying that we haven't run into issues. There's been plenty of those, but we're figuring it out, so that's cool. She sits here and she waits for me every single morning when I put the horses out. You're so nice, Kenny. You're so nice, pretty Kenny. You're so pretty. Good kitty. You're so nice. Can you guys keep an eye on that thing for me? That guy right there. Keep an eye on him for me, will ya? Excuse me. Excuse me. Hello, Rooster. Want some water? Please don't attack me. That'd be great. Gotta keep an eye on him. It's got the history. Any eggs? There's a shell in there, which is not good. I need to see if these ladies will let me check underneath them. My brother laughs at me for being scared of these girls, but they're mean! Just, okay, don't peck me, please. Okay, yes, I'm very scared of you. I know. They call you chicken, but I'm actually the chicken. Oh, you do have an egg. Ah! Don't peck me, please. Don't. No, let me take it. No, let me take it. Don't peck me. This. Okay, don't, please, don't. Okay, that works. Okay. Egg right there. Any more? Any more? Miss Lady Hen? Is that it? Okay, no, I take that. Thank you. Put that down here for now. Next. Hello? Hello? No, don't. That's my egg. Sorry. Come in. Ah! Don't peck at me! Come in. She's probably just scared of the thing, but I'm just scared of her, so. I don't. Stop it! See any eggs? Okay, whatever. You keep your floating egg. I know this one is mean. Ah! See? That would hurt. Okay, I'm not even. My brother can check when he gets home. Forget that. I got an egg. That's all that matters. It's cutie kitties. They're so cute. This is not ketchup. This is our homemade soap. I'm not putting ketchup in the laundry. fudge. Time to go do some actual work. Somebody finally woke up. Here it is. The project of 2024. We actually just did all of this in the last month, which is pretty impressive. This was all woods just last year, and we cleared this all out like in February and spring and turned it into this. And today we're framing in windows so that we can start putting up metal. Two window frames down, 4 more to go. So let's take a little tour of the place, shall we? This right there will be the door that goes into the garage shop area. And that will come back like 25 feet. And then there'll be a wall there. And then from the back in, 23 feet in, it'll be like our wood shop area. But until we get our house built, we may be just camping in that area for a little bit. But the coolest part about this is that there is a lean-to attached to this building that runs the whole length of the building. And it's not just any lean-to. This will be a horse shelter. And about 16 feet in, we will shed that off a little bit and we'll make that my tack room slash garden shop, if you will. And then the horses will stay in here and we'll have a little peek window, like right in this area, where I'll be able to spy on the horses and see their pen from here, which will be pretty cool. And we've got 14 feet high ceilings because Tyler wanted to put a lift in his shop. He needed the trusses to be that high out of the way. So we'll probably have room to put a attic loft area up there for storage and stuff. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be good. I'm excited. We got one more window frame up, but then we got rained out, so then we went back to the house and made tacos. And my fudge turned out really good, by the way. It was very tasty. But it's like 8:30 now, so I'm going back to the back pasture to let the horses back in their pen. Then I'm gonna give them hay, and then I have to put the cats out in the barn. My brothers will be home around midnight, something. And that's when they normally milk their cows. So I'll let them do that, because I would normally milk right now because I don't like doing things super late in the dark. But they don't mind. So I'll let them milk tonight because I got cramps in my hands. I was hoping to do some riding tonight because it's nice and cool out. But I have to finish editing my video for tomorrow because it's actually Saturday right now. And I haven't finished editing my video, and so I have to get it uploaded, scheduled, and I have to make a thumbnail for it. So I don't have time to ride tonight. That is all. Pretty wet horses. At least it's nice and cool. Oh, they found burrs again. There you go. Good job. Go, Lena. Holy smokes, please. Chill. I think it's a good time to wrap this video up now, so I hope you enjoy my chillax lifestyle, because I know I do. I'll see you guys next week, Sunday. I post new videos every single Sunday, so go ahead and subscribe. I post lots of fun stuff over on Instagram and TikTok, so you can go follow me over there at sport.pony13. Okay, bye. Horses are feeling themselves with this cooler weather right now. It's been so hot. And now they're excited. Wow, 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 wow. How about you stay in your pen? Yep. No, don't go in the cow pen. Great. You were supposed to go in your pen so I could lock you up so they won't go in your pen. Now look what's happening. Where you going, Sally? How about you don't leave your pen? Oh my goodness. Too much excitement going on for one evening. Yes, go in your pen. Good job. Very good. Thank you for listening. Good. Go in your pen. Very good. Hallelujah.